Cooke is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Spurs of the WNBA. She was born on January 9, 2001 in Toledo, Ohio, United States. Cooke grew up playing for a boys' youth football team in defiance of her mother, Michelle, who wanted her to join a cheerleading team instead. In 7th grade, she shifted her focus to basketball. Cooke played basketball for Rogers High School in her hometown of Toledo, Ohio. She averaged 21.7 points, 4.6 rebounds, 5 assists and 3.1 steals per game as a junior. She led her team to the Division II state title, recording 33 points and 14 rebounds in the title game, and was named the Blade Player of the Year. In her senior season, her highlight video drew national attention. As a senior, Cooke averaged 21.7 points, 7.2 rebounds and 4.1 assists per game, winning a second straight state title. At Rogers High School in Toledo, Ohio, she was rated a 5-star recruit by ESPN and earned McDonald's All-American honors. A two-time All-SEC selection in college, Cooke helped South Carolina reach the Final Four of the NCAA tournaments in 2021, 2022 and 2023. On November 13, 2019, Cooke scored a freshman season-high 27 points with 7 rebounds for South Carolina in a 75-49 win against Dayton. She averaged 12.1 points and 2.9 rebounds per game as a freshman, helping her team achieve a 32-1 record and a number 1 national ranking. 9. Cooke set a program record for games started by a freshman 33 and was selected to the Southeastern Conference SEC All-Freshman team. On December 31, 2020, she recorded a sophomore season-high 26 points in a 75-59 victory over Florida. On April 2, 2021, at the Final Four of the NCAA tournament, Cooke scored a team-high 25 points in a 66-65 loss to Stanford. As a sophomore, she averaged 15.9 points, 3 rebounds and 2 assists per game, receiving first team All-SEC honors. In her junior season, Cooke was named to the second team All-SEC. Cooke was rated a 5-star recruit and among the top players in the 2019 class by ESPN. On November 5, 2018, she committed to playing college basketball for South Carolina over offers from more than 60 college programs, including Ohio State, Texas, Louisville, Tennessee and Mississippi State. In her senior season, her highlight video drew national attention. As a senior, Cooke averaged 21.7 points, 7.2 rebounds and 4.1 assists per game, winning a second straight state title. She earned Division II Player of the Year honors and repeated as the Blade Player of the Year. Cooke was selected to play in the McDonald's All-American game. In high school, she also played softball and soccer and ran track and cross country.